Hi everyone, I'm Anne and today I'm making another tiny flower painting with Turner acrylic gouache. The start is basically the same as I did in my Forget-Me-Not video. I painted the background with a dark mix of green and black. Once the background was dry, I painted the leaves on top, each layer a little lighter. I made different leaves than for my previous painting, but it doesn't really matter. I want to give the idea of a rose bush without it having to be scientifically correct. Then it's time for the flowers. I start by some blobs of dark pink, simply adding a touch of white to red paint. They don't have to be perfectly round, they benefit from some variety. When the blobs are dry, I add narrow curved lines to the blobs with a lighter pink to indicate the petals. I repeat that several times, each layer with a bit more white mixed in. It's simple but very effective. After the first set of roses are done, I mix in some yellow for a different shade of pink and I start the same process all over again. I waited with the second set of roses because I can paint over some other flowers if I want them to overlap. I stick with pink here, but roses come in many different colors, so feel free to mix it up if you want. found some of the petals a bit too thick, so I came in with a darker pink to suggest some more detail. Basically all I did was adding a line here and there, and that's it. And for the finishing touch, I thought it could use a few more brighter green leaves. And that's it. Do you give this a try this weekend? Let me know. Have a nice day. Until next time.